In this video, you'll learn how to change the language on KuCoin. This process will allow you to navigate the platform in a language that you are comfortable with, enhancing your overall experience. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the KuCoin website. You can do this by typing www.kucoin.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the KuCoin homepage, which features various cryptocurrency trading options. Next, locate the language and currency settings on the homepage. This is typically represented by a globe icon or a drop-down menu in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will reveal a list of available languages and currencies. Take a moment to ensure you are on the correct screen before proceeding. After clicking on the language settings, you should see a list of language options. This will display the current language setting, along with multiple other languages available for selection. Look closely at this list as it is crucial for the next step. Now click on the word language to access the language selection menu. This action will present you with various language choices. It is important to wait for this menu to fully load so that you can see all options without any errors. Once you see the list of languages, scroll through until you find English or your preferred language. Click on it to select it. After this selection, the page may refresh or update automatically, confirming that your language preference has changed successfully. It is worth noting that if you encounter any issues during this process, such as slow loading times or the desired language not appearing, check your internet connection and ensure your browser is up to date. Additionally, if you are using a mobile device, consider switching to a Wi-Fi network for a more stable connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.